Google's new AI model can remove watermarks, and copyright holders are freaking out. The same model that makes AI art is now erasing the names of the people who created it. Gemini 2.0 Flash is Google's new experimental image generation model. It's like DALL-E or Midjourney, but with fewer filters and more. Did we just break copyright law? It's part of Google's AI studio tools, and it's scarily good at image editing. Users on Reddit and X discovered it can remove watermarks from images, even stock photos from Getty Images and others. And it doesn't just erase the watermark, it magically reconstructs the background underneath, like it was never there. Sure, other tools like Photoshop's AI can do this too, but Gemini does it better and for free, with zero restrictions. Meanwhile, OpenAI and Claude refuse to even try. Claude literally says, that's unethical and possibly illegal. This isn't just about watermark removal, it's about AI bypassing creative rights, enabling mass theft at scale, and raising some serious legal and ethical red flags. What's next? AI removing signatures from paintings? Oh wait. To be fair, Google says this feature is experimental and not for production use, but they're still letting developers play with it freely. Oopsie. Innovation first, consequences later. AI is evolving faster than our laws can keep up. Want more no-fluff tech breakdowns? Hit that subscribe button before Gemini removes this watermark too.